In today's video, we will show you how to add the pages we have created in WordPress to the menu bar. The main concept is how to add page to menu bar section. First, open your dashboard, go to page section, and here create or publish two page. Now my account. Okay, was publish this one. Draft, publish. Quick edit, publish. Then go to the appearance and menu section and add menu item, pages, post, custom link and category. Today we will see how to add a page. Click the page and view all. Home is a default. Cart, checkout, demo 1 and my account. Okay. First demo, cart, checkout, demo 1 and my account. First remove and add to menu. Now menu is add. Delete. Okay. Now save menu. And refresh my page. Here about contact us demo 1 and demo, and refresh my page and see. This way you can add menu section or you can add page to menu. Thank you.